How to monetize TRC20 USDT using recovery phrases. A step-by-step guide. Imagine waking up one morning and finding that someone has transferred a decent chunk of TRC20 USDT into your wallet, but you're stuck with just a set of recovery phrases. What do you do? Can you monetize it? How do you make it work for you in the modern world? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know how to monetize those funds, but you'll be ahead of 99% of people when it comes to using recovery phrases safely and effectively. But wait, before we dive in, what if I told you that your recovery phrases might be the only thing standing between you and complete financial freedom? Stay tuned. This is going to change how you see digital currencies forever. All right, before we get into the nuts and bolts of monetizing your TRC20 USDT, let's make something crystal clear. Understanding recovery phrases is your key to unlocking a world of possibilities and dangers. Think of recovery phrases as the master key to your wallet. Without them, you're locked out. But with them, you hold the power to access and control your funds anytime, anywhere in the world. That power, my friends, is freedom, financial freedom. But here's where things can go sideways. What happens if someone else gets hold of your recovery phrases? Let me put it this way. Imagine leaving the front door to your house wide open, with all your valuables in plain sight. Scary, right? So, step one in this journey is to treat your recovery phrases like gold. Literally, write them down, secure them in a fireproof safe, and for goodness sake, don't store them digitally where hackers can swoop in and snatch them. Now, let's move into the exciting part, what you can actually do with your TRC20 USDT. First, you need to access your wallet using the recovery phrases. Depending on the platform or wallet you're using, this usually involves opening the app or website, selecting Import Wallet, and entering your recovery phrases. Boom, you're in. Option 1. Convert and cash out. This is the most straightforward method. Platforms like Binance, Kraken, or Coinbase allow you to exchange your TRC20 USDT for fiat currency, dollars, euros, or yuan. Once converted, you can withdraw directly to your bank account. Simple, right? But here's the catch. Every transaction comes with fees, and timing is everything. If you cash out when the market's down, you're leaving money on the table. That's why strategy matters. More on that later. Option 2. Invest in modern assets. Instead of cashing out, consider reinvesting your USDT into other high-potential cryptocurrencies or even decentralized finance platforms. These platforms can offer insane yields compared to traditional banks. Exciting, but here's where it gets risky. Not every investment is a gold mine. Pick the wrong one and you could lose it all. But choose wisely, and you might just double or triple your funds in no time. Option 3. Passive income opportunities. This is where things get futuristic. Some platforms allow you to stake your TRC20 USDT, essentially lending it out in exchange for interest or rewards. It's like having your money work for you while you sleep. Now that's what I call modern living. And the best part? With passive income, you're not just earning, you're building wealth. But here's the million-dollar question. Which option is right for you? And how can you maximize your returns without falling into the traps of scams, fees, and bad timing? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In my next video, I'll break down the most common mistakes people make with TRC20 USDT and how you can avoid them. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap. 1. Secure your recovery phrases like your life depends on it. 2. Use your wallet to access your funds. 3. Decide cash out, reinvest, or go for passive income. Each choice comes with its own rewards and risks. But the good news? You now have the tools to make an informed decision. So, what are you going to do with your TRC20 USDT? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your plans. And if you're ready to dive deeper into the world of digital finance, make sure you check out my next video where I reveal the 3 biggest mistakes people make when handling crypto funds. Hit that subscribe button to stay ahead in this ever-evolving digital world. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with someone who needs to know this right now. Thanks for watching. Here's to living smarter, not harder, in the 21st century.